Hello, welcome. This is Coach Roland, and tonight I will teach you how to create a local Joomla installation directory. So you need to have a folder inside the XAMPP directory. XAMPP directory is a software for local web server. So when you install an XAMPP software, it will create these files and folders. Then inside the htdocs, you need to create a local folder. Let's say 105 folder. Inside this folder, you need to paste a Joomla package and extract a Joomla package inside that folder. So I'll paste it here and extract it here. So let's wait until it's done. So for you to install a Joomla package, you need to create a folder in a local host directory inside XAMPP and htdocs directory, and in your created custom folder name 105. Once that done, you can now proceed to the browser installation of a Joomla package. This is a very important tutorial for you to become the next Joomla website developer in your country or in your location or in your target market. Okay, so this is around 13.6 MB, and please prepare your hosting to be ready for any size of any script you want to install. So I'm done. So it's located in the drive C, XAMPP directory, htdoc directory, and my created 105 folder. And inside this, I extracted a Joomla package for preparing to install via web browser. So thank you for watching on how to create a Joomla localhost web folder.